Namaste, Har Har Mahadev, Vanakkam. Today is 9th of August and we are on 15 minutes chart. Let me explain you something what happened today. So I'm going to break this session. With this session break, we'll identify then when a day started. So this is today's chart and this is the first 15-minute candle. If you see, for the first 15 minute from 9:45 from 9:30 to here we can say 12:30, so almost 3 hours. And then after these two huge candles, market went again into consolidation, and this was, I guess, nothing but a range of 130 points. For Nifty Bank, 130 point is like nothing. This one alone candle is of around 0.5%. So what we gonna do today is, with the help of an indicator, we are going to identify whether the current day is going to be sideways. Where trending we can't identify with this indicator, but we can predict that no, today's day can be sideways, and we can deploy our selling strategy like iron fly, or selling same strike like for example, let's say if today at 9:15 market was around 44,570, so we can sell call and put both together of 44,500 with hedge, not without hedge, with hedge. And then you can eat the theta decay value and eat the premium. Once you have the decent profit, you can exit your positions. So what we're gonna do today is, Nifty and Bank Nifty are the two major indices which are being traded in India, and Nifty is of around 19,000 rupees. Sorry, not 19,000 rupees. It's of 19,000, and Bank Nifty is around 45,000. So Bank Nifty is exactly twice of the Nifty. So what we gonna identify is if, and one more thing before going to that part, if any of these indices, the maximum limit, it's not defined, but 45,100 index, if that is like, we in stocks we can expect a movement of 5%, 6%, or even 10%, depend on the market size and capitalization. So we can expect an stock to move by 5, 10, even 15% sometimes in rare occurrences, but for index we can't. An index can move in one day, either Bank Nifty or Nifty, max to max 1.5%. In some rare extensions, we have seen index can move up to 3%, but not beyond that. That is like not once in a blue moon, I would say, but rarest. Maybe we can see once or twice in a year for moving 3%. So for our reference, we're gonna take the Nifty and Bank Nifty can move only up to 1 to 1.5% in a day. So now what happened in first 15 minutes from 9:15 to 9:30? The moment market opened, those whoever has carried their position from previous day in expectation that market will go gap up or go gap down, whatever it is, whoever have carried out their position yesterday, first they score off their position either in profit or in loss. So you always see first 15 minutes is more volatile. A safe trader who don't go for these risky trades always avoid trading first 15 minutes. I would also recommend to not to trade in first 15 minutes till 9:30. Even I do so. I never trade in before 9:30. I always avoid, and I give time market to stabilize. So in first 15 minutes, so in a day, maximum target of our index is 1.5%. What if market has already moved more than 0.5% in first 15 minutes? If market has already moved with more than 0.5%, how much is the remaining area for market to move? If a Bank Nifty 1% is how much? 19,000, it's only 200 points, and for Bank Nifty it's 450 points. Though 450 points is huge, but if the desired target of any seller or buyer has been achieved in first 15 minutes, definitely he or she will not sit. any hedge fund or seller will not sit for the entire day because they have achieved their desired target. So all these times market may remain sideways. So we gonna identify by using an indicator called big candle. This is the big candle, and in that I'll make some amendments. The changes would be, for since we are analyzing bank nifty now, we'll give not 0.5 but 0.6%. Why 0.6%? That this value is defined by me, not me actually, but I use 0.6% because the bank nifty is of around 45,000 currently. So whenever it decreases, like when index is around 35,000 or 38,000, I go for 0.5 because that's exactly half. Nifty is, by that time nifty is exactly half of bank nifty, but now it is around 44,000, so I'm going with 0.6 value. So what this candle will do is, any 15 minutes candle when the market is open, if that candle has moved more than 0.6% in bank nifty, then it will show a cap. If it's downside, then red cap to the downside, and if that candle is bullish, then the green cap on the upside. So on 9th August, this candle has moved more than 0.6%, so we see a cap to the downside. You can see here, I'll highlight this more. Now you can see here, this is the candle. See, now you can see. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do the back testing. Any strategy, if you wanna check or you have made it, whatever it is, make sure you back test it and forward test as well in live market. So I have been using for this very long year, since 2 to 3 years, and now I'm gonna back test and show it to you. So on 9th of July, in first 15 minutes, market has moved more than 0.6%. So market, let me just continue this. Okay. So market remains sideways till 12:30. Okay. Now let's go to the previous days. So now it's 9th of August. Again, in the first 15-minute, market has moved more than 0.6%. So it remained sideways throughout the day. At last, like around 2:30, it gave a move to upside, but that could be due to a sell hunting or short covering. You can see it. Let's go to the previous days. Any other day? Let's see if we have any. Okay, so here it's 28th of July. On this day also, in first 15 minutes, you can see market moved. And let's say if we draw a range of horizontal line, so this is a horizontal line, this is just high and low. Now see, market has remained till 12:45 to the low of this, the first 15 minutes candle. So complete sideways market. Let's go to some other day. I'll just do a few for yourself, for you all. It's your homework to analyze and say that's my own strategy. And one more thing, nothing is guaranteed in the market. Okay, we trade on probabilities. So let's say if market has moved 0.6% at that day, market gave a huge move to upside or the downside, don't blame me. Okay, don't blame me, and don't trade just by seeing this. You back test it and then deploy. So here also, it's first mark the top and bottom. So here the first 15 minutes candle moved more than 0.6% or 0.6% exactly. Now see, market remained sideways till 12 o'clock, and then a down move, and then again it recovered. Like throughout the day, we can say there's 2 down moves and then again remain sideways. It's just some more. Is there any? Okay, now again, this is the first 15-minute candle. That's a dozy, indecisive candle, indecision candle. Like nothing is cleared in this candle, nothing is clear. We can't predict with this candle what market direction is going to be. So it remained sideways till 11:15, and then huge selling. Okay, I guess that's enough in bank nifty. Let's check in nifty. So Nifty, I'll again change this candle, big candle indicator settings. So I'll change it to 0.3%. See, it's 11th of August. Again, the first 15-minute candle moved more than 0.3%, and then market remained sideways till 2:45. A huge move was there, to up move was there at 1 o'clock, but later on market again remained sideways. Now let's backtest this also. Okay, so here also on 9th of August market remained sideways still. If we can draw a range, till 1:30 it remains sideways. Now let's go and see for some more. Okay, here also at 3rd of August, on 3rd August, first 15-minute candle was more than 0.3%, and market remained sideways till 11:45. Let's see if we have some more. Okay, 9:15. This was an exception, not exception, but yes, market didn't follow. Market went up, gave a up move this day after moving 0.3%. This is 31st of July. So no sideways, only for 1 hour we can say, 9:30 to 10:30 it remained sideways. See here, it's on 28th of July, again first candle here, and then throughout the day it was sideways. It tried to give some fake outs of day lows multiple times but couldn't sustain. I'll see. Okay, now this is the last. So 21st of July, first 15 minutes candle moved more than 0.3%, and again, like if we draw low and high of this candle, so it remains sideways till here. It's like 12 o'clock, and then down move, then again it recovered. Let's see if it gave closing exactly to the first 15 minutes candle's low, like the point where it made low and the first 15 minutes it closed again there. So not a complete sideways, it was a trending day. Let's see here for till 12:15. So that's my observation. I have backtested. When I observed this, I backtested it for so long, and now I usually take trade. This premium eating strategy is called iron fly and selling straddle at 9:15, 9:30, 9:25, whatever the scenario, whichever scenario suits me. If VIX contribution is there, that's very, very beneficial for an options seller. So yeah, for any doubts and all, you can comment, and you can backtest. Don't trust blindly to me. Backtest yourself. If that suits you, go with that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.